Hey guys, this is a videos from my Tesla cameras. This is a snow squall. It's an all of a sudden huge snowstorm that lasts between 5 minutes to about an hour and a half. It lasted about an hour and a half. It's like a tornado and a snowstorm altogether. High winds, a lot of swirling snow coming down. Some of my cameras were disabled because they were covered by snow. I got all these messages from the car that it is the cameras are not functioning because they are covered. So this is from obviously from the front cameras, and it is an extraordinarily weather phenomenon. I've never seen it, and it's like a lot of snow coming down really quickly. I'm going to let you watch a little bit more. Here's a different, this is a faster road. This is from a side camera. This is a side camera, as you see. See, part of it is covered with snow. So obviously you couldn't put any cruise control or anything like that. When non-autopilot at all was not available, which is an issue for self-driving later on. But let's just focus on this. So you see, it's like tremendous amount of snow and wind, and it's a lot of swirling. It's like a whiteout condition, basically a whiteout condition. So soon you're going to see the back camera videos. I'm going to let you watch until the end without me talking, but in about a minute or so you're going to see the back cameras as well. Just stay tuned until the end. Thanks.